It is August the 7th, 2023, and we just had a massive I guess many thunderstorms blow up over us. But I wanted you to check out all this random interference spikes, mainly from this radar in Virginia, and watch how it lines up. It hits the center of every cell, and then there's this one line here. It gets drawn into this one near DC, and then you can see the storm wrap around that radar in DC too, right there. Now we'll slow it down a little bit so you can see this. I'll get my mouse turned off. Anyways, sorry, I don't have a screen record on my computer, so we're gonna have to do it this way. We'll slow it down. Bam, 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 bam. Now you can't tell me that's just random interference. You cannot tell me that. Anyways, I thought some of you would like to see that. I didn't get, there was lots of booby clouds, memory clouds. I didn't have